Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Huggy Wuggy and a T-Rex. And it's going to be one character. So let's get started right now. Hey, how's it going? We're going to go over how to draw a Huggy Wuggy mixed with a T-Rex. It's going to be pretty simple, easy for beginners. You can also just watch either way. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw the top snout of the T-Rex. And it's going to be a little bit like wobbly right there because there's a little bit of a texture at the top. Line over here. Right there. It's going to be for the open mouth. Line right there. And you're going to go on the top. It's the brow area. And we're going to draw some teeth in his mouth first, okay? Line right there. Around that area. Right on. And we can draw some teeth in the back. Right? Kind of that shape. Line out over here. Down. Jaw, underneath the jaw, right? Right now we're more or less just drawing a regular T-Rex, but let's start putting in, well, not yet. We're about to put in some what do you call it? Huggy Wuggy features, but not quite yet. Out over here, down. Curve right here for the tongue. This area, we're going to draw some teeth. Right there. Line below. Line. And curve line right here. Let's go over here and go to the eyeball now. This is going to be, we're getting into Huggy Wuggy territory now. We're going to give him Huggy Wuggy's eye right there. All right, he's got these giant eyes. And then we're going to draw a curve right there where the giant pupil right there, an iris. Go. Line right there. Kind of bag into the eye. Let's go over here for the nostril right there. Sweet. And we're going to go over here and pull into the hair, which looks like it's going to look like a horn on him, but and then the far side hair on this T-Rex head, which is funny. Out back over here, down. There you go. A line underneath for the throat. Curve over here. And we're going to go draw a kind of like the ear area. Down right there, down right there. And line right there. There you go. For now. So we have our general T-Rex right here, Huggy Wuggy T-Rex. Gonna go right here and I'm gonna draw a arm right here, and it's gonna have the two-prong arm that a T-Rex would have. Right here. Down over here. Curve. Line over here. And now what we're going to do, see, he's got those like fuzzy arms a la, Huggy Wuggy. By the way, what would be the name of this character? Would be Huggy Wuggy and be named when he's merged with a T-Rex. If you write it below, I'm going to pin it. I'm going to pin, even if you're the only one, by the way, I'll pin your comment. But absolutely comment below. It's whatever name that I like the best. All right. So let's go in now and cover some detail. Line over here. We're going to put in a dark area right there. The dark is for line, line, line. Let's go over here on that side. There you go. And now the rest of it's going to be like texturing him out, right? It's going to be like maybe some hair here and there, right? Maybe some, I forgot to do this, some darkness underneath the throat. Throwing darkness underneath the throat is, I would say, is pretty big with most dinosaurs because, you know, light source is almost always coming from above. So there's always going to be that dark shape right there, that dark triangle. Line over here. And I think now we're going to look at him and be like, okay, what are some little, you know, minute details that we can throw into him, right? Maybe some darkness over here, but not entirely encompassing everything. Or maybe we could, right? We could put some darkness around that area. Line, line, line. Right here. Maybe throw a little like hair on this area, like just we're looking for random areas of, you know, you can throw hair in. Line over here. And curve over there. There we go. And yeah, like honestly, the way we kind of do this stuff, you can kind of go endlessly on it, right? Throw a little fuzz everywhere, but you know what I mean? What would his name be? Like I said, I'm going to pin your comment. Even if it's the only one, you're getting pinned. So absolutely do that. And I want you to stick around. I want you to share the video if you can, but I want you to stick around for the next video. And all right, we're going to start the lesson right about now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.